Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello friends,
I am Hanif and Rafi.
and me, I'm Amran Darmawan.
We are from Group 1 of 2 MRK5 class. We want to review a video from Pico Group channel on YouTube.
And the title is
Tanloc
Tanloc
Precast Panel Connector. Keep watching and enjoy. Thanks. Precast Group is a popular construction company that keep innovating to get new efficient products. In this video, we will focus to one product of Precast Group, that is Tanloc the Precast Panel Connector. As seen on the video, Tanloc Precast Panel Connector applied to the precast wall to erect a house. The precast wall made by Pico Group with reinforcement and the panel connector that already designed. After they're all installed, the concrete mold is poured. Then, the concrete is waited until it dry and ready to be installed.
A tower crane is used for moving and installing the precast wall in a place that has been prepared. As you can see, there are some holes on the side of the precast wall. The holes are used to install the connector. The installation is very easy. Just by turning the connector lever until the connector on both walls are interconnected. Before the connector is really tightened, the wall must be checked with the water pass.
Die Wand konstruktiv verbunden ist. Sie ist gleich so stabil verbunden, dass man auch Montagesprisen weglassen kann und kann somit auch die Rationalisierung auf der Baustelle fortsetzen und kann insgesamt mit Fertigteilen sehr wirtschaftlich und sehr hochqualitativ preisgünstig bauen.
We can conclude that Tanloc Precast Panel Connector has several advantages, such as efficient, easy and fast to install, and doesn't require a lot of manpower. But there are also some weaknesses. It requires heavy equipment, that is tower crane, to install it.